In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process from a blank dashboard to a live landing page you can share, and I'll explain what each step actually does so you know why you're clicking things, not just where. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Create button. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Landing Page. This tells Mailchimp you want to build a standalone page, not an email or an automated journey. Next, you'll be asked to name your landing page and choose an audience. The name is just for your internal use, so pick something descriptive that helps you recognize the purpose of the page later, like Spring Promo Waitlist or Lead Magnet, ebook download. Then, select the Mailchimp audience you want new subscribers to be added to. This is important because anyone who signs up through this landing page will go directly into that list, ready for your campaigns. After that, you'll choose a template. Mailchimp offers different layouts designed for things like simple signups, product promotions, or content downloads. Pick the one that best matches your goal, or start from a blank layout if you want full control. Don't worry, you can still customize everything later. The template just gives you a starting structure. Now you're in the drag and drop builder. This is where your page really takes shape. You can add blocks like text, images, buttons, social media icons, and even product blocks if you have an e-commerce integration like Square or Shopify connected. Click on any block to edit its content and drag new blocks from the side panel onto the page. In the Style section, you can adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Add your logo, a clear headline, and short, benefit-focused text so visitors immediately understand what they're signing up for. Make sure your sign-up form is properly set up. Confirm it's connected to the audience you selected earlier, and customize the button text so it feels compelling and specific, like "Sign up now" or "Get your free guide," instead of a generic "Submit." Then head into the settings. Here, you can edit the page title, the URL, and how it appears when shared on social media. You can use a default Mailchimp domain or a custom domain if you have one connected. Add a brief, keyword-rich page title and description to help with clarity and discoverability. Finally, use the preview option to see how your landing page looks on both desktop and mobile. Scroll through and check spacing, readability, and button placement. When everything looks good, click Publish, accept the terms, and your landing page goes live, ready to share with your audience.